how to reset Windows 10 or 11 from command prompt. So if you want to reset your Windows 10 or 11 from your command prompt, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search and search for CMD. You will find command prompt, right click on it and then go with run as administrator. After that, click on yes and you'll get this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter systemreset.exe. After that, hit the enter and you'll get these kind of options. You can go with keep my files or remove everything. So if you want to remove everything, you can go with remove everything. Or if you want to keep your files, you can go with keep my files. And it says that your apps will be removed and all of the other items that will be removed. It will give you all of the information. And if you want to proceed, you can go with next and follow the process to reset your Windows 10 or 11 from your command prompt. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.